Hello everyone, welcome to Try on Fun Times with Diva LaVida. I am Diva LaVida. Thanks for joining me. Today, we're gonna try on a lot of bras. For the record, this is a crop top, not a bra. Enjoy. I own so many bras. This is kind of ridiculous. There's a lot of them. Some of them sparkle and some of them don't. Let's see how they look. This one has the combination of the rhinestones, but also sequins had to be hand glued to this bad boy. I'm not sure this one's ever been on stage. Very cute. I cut the straps off of this one. I don't remember why. This one doesn't actually fit me super well, but I like it anyway. Everyone's got to have like that one utility strapless bra. There it is. Sparkles and fringe. Oh, this used to be a full bustier. I just cut the cups out of them so I could have this like nice underbust action. I don't know what to say about this one. It's cute, whatever. You always need a strapless black bra at some point. This one actually used to have a tan line across the top that I colored in with a Sharpie, so I got a full black bra. I think this one is actually a bathing suit top. Oh well. Look at all that fringe! Yeah! I like this bra so much, and it is falling apart. Oh well. This level of beading was not really, I don't know what it was meant for. This one is so fun, and it is trash. It's just trash. It never stays up, it never stays on. It doesn't do anything for my body. But it's so cute! This one might be a cheat. This one might actually just be a top, but it feels like a bra, that's for sure. Well, that's it. It's all my bras. No more bras. Thanks for watching.